Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 2021, and I'll show you how to turn off AOD feature on this device. So first we should go into the Move with Edge application. Okay, I'll show you to Move with Edge here, and now click here into the settings section, tap to the always on display, and near the always on display click once on the switcher, and now you can see that all of the options they are blocked, and when we'll block the device you can see that the AOD feature is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.